guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Minecraft Mine vs. Mine in Roblox. And look, we found diamonds. We got a diamond sword, and look what else we got. We got 2 extra more diamonds. And guys, today we're going to be giving out iron stuff because you didn't know, we have so much iron. Look at this iron just smelting. We are going to get like 48 iron after this. And 48 plus 10 plus 1 equals to 59 iron, which is a lot of iron. But who needs so much iron? So let's just give it out, right, PuppyTeam? Oh, don't worry, PuppyTeam, we have so much. Oh wait, PuppyTeam has all the. And guys, we have been mining for so long. As you can see, this place is like a maze. Look, it's until there, and it doesn't stop right there. It doesn't. There's more down. You go this way, so much more. This way, so much more again. And then after that, you go through here. Down there, here is where we found the diamond. We found 1 diamond, but when we went down to bedrock, PuppyTeam found some diamonds. PuppyTeam found more diamonds than we actually needed. So, we found lots and lots of iron in this cave. And we got so much iron, we don't even need it. It's like we have too much iron. Right, PuppyTeam? Yeah. She said, yeah. Well, maybe we should just ask them which one do they want. We're saving it for like a pickaxe. Okay, I'm gonna make some sticks, PuppyTeam. I know you already have sticks, right? Okay. Okay. I have so many sticks. And guys, tell us in the comments down below if we should make some stone swords. Or if we should make some houses. And yeah. So let's just. It's just so hard not to like exchange. Okay guys. So now I'm guessing we can make 15 iron swords. Which that's a lot. Wow. PuppyTeam, I have a lot of iron. I got 15 iron swords. I have 0. Oh my! It took so many of my hearts, guys. My hearts are like down there. I don't like right here. Wait, Puppy, I need to arrange my my inventory. And guys, if they tried to kill us, we got these diamond swords to defend ourselves. That's why we were waiting so long for this moment, because, like, we didn't want them to. Okay, PuppyTeam, keep your pickaxe in the chest, because you don't want anyone taking it, right? Okay, so guys, now it's time for the moment of truth. Okay, the moment of truth. Wait, Puppy, we need to cover up our base. Puppy, did you cover up the base? You got some of the dirt, you know. Okay. Oh wait, we want to make sure we know where it is, so let's put some dirt here. Okay guys, we have to stay pretty close to the house. Let's go to that house. Oh, PuppyTeam. Maybe one of us should stay at the house. You know? It's okay we lose it. Okay, Puppy, if you really insist. Yeah, maybe we should just put a sword in their chest. I see someone. You have to go to your inventory, then after that you can chat. I need somebody to let me in their house. I'm sorry I'm breaking your house. It's for a good cause, though. Okay. Shh, guys, we really need to be... Whoa! Whoa! Someone killed me, PuppyTeam! I was putting it in their chest and they just killed me. Yeah. Puppy? I was trying to give them something! People are so brutal. Okay, I found them. It's coordinates. Okay, PuppyTeam, I know where they are and I know where our base is. So it's a good thing I know where our base is because then I can... Oh, the coordinates were -86, 30, and -81, okay? -81. No, they're actually, the coordinates are 53, 36, and -672. It's -46, -43, -36, So where are you? They're breaking down their house. They're breaking down their house already. It's hopeless. We'll never find my sword. Hey, Get out of here. Whatever are you doing? Ow. Okay, PuppyTeam, tell me if you find a purple-haired girl. She's the one. PuppyTeam, tell me if you find a purple-haired girl. Tell me if you found a purple-haired girl, okay? But I found you! PuppyTeam, I found you. PuppyTeam. There you are! Behind you! So, the purple-haired girl was right here, but she ran away. Do you remember what the base was? There were extra 2 diamonds. I remember. Oh yeah, it was here. Somewhere here. It was down here. Yeah, here. Hey, someone took one of the diamonds. Oh wait, there are 2. Sorry. Can you protect me? Okay, I promise I won't. Okay, let me just cover up the base again. Yep. Okay, I won't let anybody kill me anymore. Wait, yeah, I remember. It was Freddy person. Yeah, we are. You can't kill us. Hey, someone's behind. No! Shadow Freddy is behind me. Help! He killed me. Yes! You got my diamond sword back? Okay, PuppyTeam, where are you? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Bye, guys.